Hi guys, welcome to bestwebteacher.com. Today in this video I am going to show you how to delete a property or a website from Google Analytics tools. So this is the Google Analytics tools. You can just type analytics.google.com. This type of dashboard will open. After that, just go to all accounts, all website data. Just click here and you can select your websites which you want to delete. Right now I want to delete this website, so just select this, and after that just go to this admin area. This is the admin. One gear button is there, just click on it, and after that just click on property setting, and after that you can move it or you can move to rubbish bin. Just click on move to rubbish bin. Now here option is there. Here two options are available: delete property and cancel. Just click on delete. It will be delete and storing in the rubbish bin. And again just click on account setting and again click on move to rubbish bin, and again click on rubbish account. Now it will be refreshed automatically. Again I want to delete this site also. Just select on site, just select the site, and again click on property setting, click move to rubbish bin, then delete property. And it's success. Again click on account setting, move to rubbish bin, click rubbish account. It's successfully deleted. So thanks for watching this video, friend. Please support me to subscribe and please like and share this video. Again I will come up with a new video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.